Let's get scoped up, man.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
Hey guys, I'm Rithvik Reddy and today I'm going to show you how I made weapon switching and scoped mode for the assault rifle in my Dream FPS game. If you're not able to understand or don't know what I'm speaking about, click on the link which has appeared above or on the I button, and that will show you the first two videos of this channel and the series Project G. Let's get started, guys. Let's start with weapon switching. Well, weapon switching is one of the main thing, not the basic core mechanic, but it's the main thing in every FPS shooter. Well, you have to switch between weapons if you have multiple weapons in a game. That's a main thing, right? So yeah, I had to complete that first, then I could move on to the scoped mode and everything for the assault rifle. So first I started with weapon switching, as I told you previously. I thought, why not use a method where you could use the scroll wheel to move. You could scroll the scroll wheel and the weapon will change. Well, that it's not my idea. It's in every game, and where you could also click on the 1, 2, 3 number keys on the keyboard, and the weapons will change. Well, it's a basic thing. It's in every first-person shooter if you have multiple weapons in those games. So first I started with coding. I wrote some codes on how to switch the weapon when you scroll the scroll wheel or click on the num keys. After I did the coding, I brought the three types of guns which I was speaking and told you how I made them in the previous video. Well, if you're not sure about what I'm speaking, you can still go and click on the link above. So I brought the three guns as you're seeing on the screen. They are on the prefab of the player. The prefab meaning the player. It's simple. So I added them to the player, and they are like in a simple manner of a folder. So if you have a folder, inside a folder there are other things, and inside the other things there are other things. It's simple. If you can see on the screen, there's a player, and then there's a camera, a main camera, and everything. So after I brought the three guns, I added the script, I made a weapon switcher object in the game, added it in the game, and that's it. I had the weapon switching working very smoothly, if you're seeing, and you can see that on the screen right from the beginning. So the next thing was to add scoped mode for the assault rifle. So guys, the next thing is to add scope mode to our assault rifle. I thought, why not get started with the assault rifle, because it's a pretty simple, and then go to the hard way in the sniper rifle, which is a bit complicated. So after I made the weapon switching, as I already showed you and told you previously, I started by making an animation. See, the weapon switching was a bit long, but sniper mode in an assault rifle, that's kind of easy. You just have to have a small script that plays an animation and goes into that state, sniper state, scoping state. It's simple. Just when you click on the right mouse button, it will play an animation, and automatically the gun will come to the eye meaning camera, and the camera will show the eye on the screen, and the player gets an aim easily. So that's what it is. It's easy, it's pretty simple. So I made an animation, and then I wrote some code. Yeah, coding. After that coding, I made an animation because the one which the previous one was not good, and yeah, the second one I made was better. It was super cool, but still not the best. Like, not a triple A high end game level. A normal animation that could fill my needs present in the present. So yeah, I made the animation, wrote some code, and that's it. I had the sniper scoping mode on the assault rifle working. The only important thing is to stop showing the crosshair when you're scoping. I needed that, so I thought we should do it. In some other games like Valorant, the crosshair stays there, and there's something like if you played Valorant, you know it. When you click on the right mouse button, the crosshair stays there, and there's some other hologram kind of glass thing that it's transparent and you can see through it. But I thought, not complicated, we could start with no crosshair. So after I wrote some code, yeah, I couldn't see the crosshair when I click on the right mouse button. But that small thing took me a lot of time, like more than an hour. That was kind of hard for me, I don't know, because it was messy. I took a break, then I went on it again. Yeah, I completed it in the final. So that was simple, right? It was very simple, right? Then, yeah, basically, I had both of the things ready. I had the weapon switching, I had the scope mode in the assault rifle, I even had the movement and shooting ready, which I spoke about in the previous video. The link will appear, or you click on the I button and you'll see the videos. It's there, you can still do it. So yeah, that's what it is. I basically completed half of the basic, no enemies, basic thing that a player does: moves, jumps, sees through his eyes, shoots, and has a scoping mode and multiple weapons with their differentiations. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye bye.
Zombie apocalypse.